I-pedal enables the driver to accelerate, decelerate, reverse, and stop with only the accelerator pedal. Pull and hold the left paddle shifter to activate I-pedal. Press the accelerator pedal to drive. Partially release the pedal to gradually decelerate. Completely release the pedal to stop the vehicle. Pull and hold the left lever to deactivate I-pedal. To reverse using I-pedal, uncheck Disable I-pedal when reversing in the infotainment system. If the vehicle is turned off, with I-pedal activated, it will be automatically activated when the vehicle is restarted.
Kia, movement that inspires.